The federal government imposed a 7-year ban on the establishment of new federal universities, polytechnics, and colleges of education, citing the rapid growth of underutilized institutions, overstretched resources, and a decline in academic quality. The decision, which was approved at the Federal Executive Council meeting held on Wednesday and presided over by President Bola Tinubu at the Presidential Villa in Abuja. However, despite the freeze, the FEC approved the establishment of 9 new universities. Minister of Education Dr. Tunji Alausa clarified that the approved universities were private institutions whose applications had been pending for up to 6 years and had undergone full evaluation by the National Universities Commission (NUC). While briefing State House correspondents after the meeting, Dr. Alausa stated that the major challenge facing Nigeria's tertiary education system was no longer access but inefficiency, poor infrastructure, inadequate staffing, and dwindling enrollments in many existing institutions. He pointed out that several federal universities were operating far below capacity, with some enrolling fewer than 2,000 students. He cited a particular northern university where 1,200 staff members served fewer than 800 students, which he described as a waste of government resources. Dr. Alausa further noted that 199 universities received fewer than 100 applications through the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board in the previous year, with 34 institutions recording 0 applications. Regarding polytechnics, he said that out of 295, many had fewer than 99 applicants. Additionally, 219 colleges of education also reported poor enrollment figures, including 64 that received no applications at all. He warned that the unchecked growth of poorly subscribed institutions posed a risk of producing ill-prepared graduates, diminishing the global value of Nigerian degrees, and worsening the unemployment crisis. He explained that the ban will allow the government to channel resources into upgrading existing facilities, hiring qualified staff, and increasing the carrying capacity of current institutions. Dr. Alausa stated that Nigeria currently had 72 federal universities, 42 federal polytechnics, and 28 federal colleges of education, in addition to hundreds of state-owned and private tertiary institutions, as well as specialized schools such as colleges of agriculture, health sciences, and nursing. He stressed that the ban would also apply to new private polytechnics and colleges of education in order to prevent further under-enrollment. Dr. Alausa commended President Tinubu for supporting the reform, describing it as a reset button for Nigeria's tertiary education system. He added that the president was deeply committed to education and had given the mandate to ensure that every Nigerian had access to high-quality education comparable to international standards. Uche Jacinta for Eagles FM News. Uche Jacinta for Eagles FM News.